Up Tron TRX holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the TRX, my friends. What's the current price of TRX? What's the price changes occur in the TRX? In this video I will show you friends the latest updates, so keep watch this video till the end. But first of all, I want to congratulate all TRX holders that now in this time the TRX price changes is going positive, my friends. Price is going positive after a very bad fast. In a previous videos I told about the TRX that the price is completely going fast down, and the yesterday is completely market, the whole cryptocurrency market yesterday price fast down, my friends. And now at this time the last 1 hour pricing is only positive, my friends. Only the last 1 hour pricing is positive, except after the last 1 hour the previous changes is fully completely negative. My friends, let's see the latest price update, but please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. Please subscribe now. Now my friends, at this time the latest price of the TRX is 0.072766 USD dollar. It's the latest price of the TRX, and the last 1 hour pricing is positive, except after last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is going negative, my friends. Let's see the price chart of the TRX. What's going on in the TRX, my friends? My friends, at this time the price is completely fast down, but now yesterday the price fast down, but now at this time in the last 1 hour the price start jumping, my friends, and the price is going to the moon. So at this time the price is going positive, you have to hold. That's how you can make a profit with the TRX, my friends. And my prediction is 100% positive. I believe that they will give you good amount of profit. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about TRX? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends.